Up next, guys, we've got art by Jish, or Josh, but it's Jish. And let's see what we got here. I'm not a photo expert. I don't know. I would kind of argue with you. It kind of looks like you are a photo expert. I think you're doing great. You're welcome. You're welcome, Laura. My throat is getting scratchy, guys. Okay, Josh, let's check it out. Look at this guy right here. Let's see. Breathe, small two-tier altar table, crystal shelf, small space altar, meditation table, altar, gem shelf, crystal display. Very cool. So, awesome. Glad they're working on the logo and banner for you, Josh. They'll get something really nice looking for you. So I like it. Looks like you're doing good. Great start. 212 sales, 74 shop reviews, 79 favorites on this item here. Now, let's see if I can see your sales here. Looks like I can. So it looks like this altar table is really doing well for you, which is fantastic. That's awesome. Great. So what I would recommend, so this first keyword, and again, don't mess with this listing because this listing is working for you. It is making sales. So I wouldn't recommend changing anything on this listing, but you can always make a copy of this listing and then make tweaks and changes to the new one. So the first thing is this keyword it's a nice word, of course, but it doesn't describe the product. Becoming the fastest growing. I actually changed it after the workshop yesterday. Awesome. So we got a few photos here, $25. Select a style with the Alm sticker or the Bearwood table. Okay. There we go. So I would recommend maybe making a copy of this one, and you might want to just go with figure out which of these keywords. You should look into your listing stats and figure out which keyword is the strongest, which keyword is attracting the most people over to this product. And one of the ways you can do that is if you look at your listing stats. Let's see if I can find a listing here to kind of check out. So if we look at the listing stats, view stats, you'll be able to see what keywords are the most popular, right? So we scroll down on this one right here. So this is the item we're looking at. We're looking at this, aquarium, this ocean decal with a little whale, a little submarine. And I can see right here, submarine wall decal is the most popular keyword for this. And a lot of people are finding this item through submarine wall decal, even though that's actually my number 2 keyword. So I would recommend for you to go into your stats here and figure out what keywords are attracting you the most attention. Is it small 2-tier altar table? Is it just altar table? Is it crystal shelf, small space altar, meditation table? You got a lot of great different keywords right here. And they're very diverse too, lots of different things, crystal display. So I would go in and try and find which keyword is the best and which one's getting you the most sales and the most attention and the most traffic. And then you could go ahead and make a copy of that listing. And you could go ahead and use some of those new keywords. But whichever keyword is the best, the most popular, that gets you the most traffic, that should be your number 1 keyword. So if that was meditation table, then you'd want to take meditation table and move it right up to the front and make it your number 1. And it looks like you've already got another variation of it here. Small 2-tier altar table, crystal shelf, small space altar, same thing. Very good. Okay, and there we go. I like that this one's got your hand on it because now I can see exactly how big it is. I don't know if you have the dimensions somewhere. You probably want to put those in here. I would recommend breaking out your description a little bit better and, putting some paragraphs because it's kind of daunting to have such a large chunk of text. So I would break this out and just make it a little bit easier to digest. And the most important details are going to be this right here, the size. That's what people are going to be looking for, and you want to make that the easiest to find. So you could have a little, kind of description that kind of explains the product, but you really want to put that one, the size, dimensions off onto its own spot, so it makes it really simple and easy to kind of break apart. So now we also got some great looking art. Let's check out this. It's 12 by 16 electric blue poured painting. Very pretty. Very cool. Very cool. I like it. There we go. We've got some details. We can see the cracking right there, and I like it. And I like that it's a real painting. Such a beautiful picture. This photo is so bright. Look at which photo was it that one of those photos really had strong lighting and colors compared to some of the other ones. I don't have an itch because I do every art there is. That's funny. Yeah, that's how a lot of artists are. They can't pick one thing. They got to do it all, This photo, you can kind of see the color difference between these two ones right here. You see the blue is a really lively and beautiful colored blue. And then this one really is a lot darker, and it's just a little dimmer. So you can, I would almost remove the other one because it's just, this one shows it off so nicely, and it really makes those colors pop out and look really pretty. So up here on this one, some other keyword suggestions could be like, let's see, we could do ocean painting, original, ocean artwork, wave painting, and different keywords like that. Electric, I like that one. Electric, blue, painting, but just fill in more keywords overall. The ADHD definitely could make it tough. Fill in more of those individual keywords, and I pasted them in for you right there so you get some ideas from them. But you want to put in a lot of different keywords that people might be searching for: ocean painting, wave painting, electric blue, anything that would, beach house painting. So you could also think, what would somebody think about beach house painting, beach house, decor, boho beach decor, beach artwork, and different keywords like that would help you find more people that would be relevant to this sort of a product.